When you have the license for Copilot for Microsoft 365, that Copilot is added to your Office apps. What it is it adds an icon in your ribbon, Copilot. So if I'm making a PowerPoint presentation, I can start by clicking my Copilot icon and open it, and it opens a side window. And inside here, I can get the conversation started. So maybe I want to have a file that I want to use to create a presentation from. I have an executive summary about the importance of Microsoft Teams phones, so maybe I want to make a presentation about it to go along with that document. So I can click Create Presentation from File, and it adds it down here with a /, and it prompts suggestions for the most recent documents you've opened. So here's the Microsoft Teams phones. So click on it and go. And what it's going to do is it's going to analyze that document that's in my OneDrive that I've already opened. It was the last document I opened, which is why it was at the top. It's analyzing that document, and it's going to take the information from that document and turn it into a presentation. Now through it, it's going to give you a play-by-play of what's going on. It's generating all of those elements right there, and those are elements that are included in that document. You can see that it's generating the slides and giving you the percentage. It's a small document, so it shouldn't take long to create. And now it's adding the speaker notes. Yes, it adds speaker notes at the bottom. So you can see the speaker notes. So Microsoft Teams phones gives the agenda, executive summary. It's even adding images. There's no images in my executive summary. So it sees the content and it adds suggested. But you also have the ability when you have a page highlighted, so maybe this page, I can say add an image of Teams phone. And what it's doing is it's looking at images, and on this slide, it will add an image from what I told it. Now, I wasn't very specific. I just said Teams phone, so it's a phone with a team on it, and that's how it happens. So I can also say add 3 slides about the importance of a partner to help understand Teams phones. So I do that, and what it's going to do, there's no referring content on that. So I just said add 3 slides about the importance of a partner to help understand Teams phones. So it's going to go out and find information, not that I have in my document, just that it's using Copilot on the web, and it created more slides about that. So the importance of finding a partner, expertise and assistance, and benefits of working. Now again, you have notes down here that were created, right? It gives you the speaker notes along with the original content that it referenced to make those notes. Now the ones that I just created, it's just giving a general. It didn't reference anything in my document, so it's just giving that text. But if it is referencing it, it's going to give the original content as well. So that's an overview of using Copilot in PowerPoint. Remember, it's Copilot, not Autopilot. So it doesn't do the work for you. You are the subject matter expert. You are who is important. So Copilot assists you in creating content, but also in emphasizing what you are trying to get across. And using the correct format for your prompts helps get you there. Again, goal, context, expectation. And that helps Copilot understand what your goal is, the context of you doing that goal, and what you're expecting the final outcome to look like. And then you can review it. Don't just trust it. Trust but verify. Read through it, understand it's how you want it to say, and finish it up so that you are ready for your presentation. If you need to adjust the presentation of it because it gives you some. You can use Designer to then go with the suggesteds for editing the designs that are available. And that is Copilot in PowerPoint.